What you do after uploading a video could silently be killing your YouTube growth, even if your content is amazing. And the truth is, most creators don't even realize they are doing it. Now, let's talk about the top mistakes that happen right after uploading. Mistakes that could be holding your channel back and what you should do instead. So the first mistake is sharing your YouTube link immediately after uploading a video. Now, I know this sounds helpful. You upload a video and you are all excited about it. You are sharing it to everyone. You want everybody to see it right away. So you started sharing your YouTube link to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and you want everybody to see it. But here is the thing. Doing all of that can actually hurt your video instead of helping it. Now, when you upload, YouTube spends the first few hours processing your video, analyzing it, and finding the right audience for your content. For example, let's say you make videos about YouTube growth, but you share your link with friends who mostly watch comedy or cooking videos. YouTube assumes that's your audience, and when those people click off early or don't engage, it tells the system that your content isn't interesting. That's how it ends up with a lot of impressions but barely any views. So instead of rushing to share your link everywhere, give YouTube time to do a job first. Allow it to test your video and then find the right audience for it. After a few hours, once the algorithm understands who your video is for, then you can share your link strategically, okay, to people or with communities who are genuinely interested in your niche. Moving on to second mistake is deleting your video too soon. Now, this is very common. I've done it before, and trust me, I regretted ever doing that. Many creators upload a video, and when it doesn't get the views they expected in the first day or two, they get disappointed and end up deleting the video, thinking re-uploading it will fix that problem. But that's one of the biggest mistakes you can ever make on YouTube.
As you can see, this video had 673k plus views at the time of recording this, and on the first day I got 0 views, and the next day I got only 46 views. Since then the views started going up. So you see, if I had deleted this video just because it started slow, I would have never seen it reach this point. So please don't delete your video. Never ever do that.
Now, when you delete a video, you also delete all the valuable data YouTube has already collected. Things like impressions, watch time, and audience testing. YouTube doesn't just look at one video, it studies how your whole channel performs. So when you keep deleting your uploads, you are basically resetting your progress each time. Instead of deleting, give your video time. Some videos start slow but grow later as YouTube continues to test them with new audiences, and that's completely normal. And if a video doesn't perform well, go to your analytics, see where viewers drop off, look at your click-through rate, and use that information to improve your next upload. So don't delete your progress. Every video teaches YouTube more about your audience and helps your channel grow. Mistake number 3 is constantly changing your title and thumbnail. Now, updating them once in a while is fine, especially if your click-through rate is low. But doing it too often can actually hurt your video performance. Each time you change your title and thumbnail, YouTube has to reanalyze your video. It resets some of the data it has already gathered, and if you do this repeatedly, it can make your channel look inconsistent or even spammy. That can cause your video to stop being pushed to new viewers. So to avoid all this, plan ahead before uploading. Make sure you create SEO optimized title that sparks curiosity. And also make sure your thumbnail is clear, eye-catching enough, and communicate what your video is about. When you get this right from the start, you won't have to keep changing them later. Okay, so that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more YouTube growth tips like this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.